my nano very good today. But number block 2022 says my name. But this is the buttons on a wall. But you need to press your doorbell on your phone, but you don't need to press it, but you have to because the Alexa will say you can do it. But this is the figure, and this is the back, and then this is the side. And something new will come soon because if you press this, it'll be good. Only one happened. Nothing changed 2222. I'm number block 2222. Here.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
There's only 1 minute now. Goodbye.